In this video, I will show you how to create arrows in Illustrator. We begin in a new Illustrator document, and to create an arrow, the first thing we need to do is go to the left-hand toolbar and we select the pen tool. After that, we click on a point on the artboard, and if we want the arrow to be curved, we click on another point and while holding down the mouse button, drag to one side to define the curvature of the arrow, then release to set it. In my case, I am going to make a straight arrow, so with the first point selected, I hold down the shift key to ensure the line is completely horizontal, and then I click on the second point to fix the line. Next, we press the escape key and then we go to the top toolbar where the stroke section is located, and we enter the thickness for our arrow. In my case, I enter 100. After that, we click on Window, and in this drop-down menu, we scroll to the bottom and click on Stroke. In the panel that opens, we click on the three lines and select Show Options. Then we go to the arrow head section, choose the arrow style, and that's it.